Princess Elsa stood atop the frosted balcony, her breath mingling with the cold air. Her kingdom shimmered beneath a blanket of ice, a land of blue-tipped trees and diamond lakes. Across the valley, smoke curled up from firelit towers. Prince Kai watched the sky from his blazing halls, his touch warming the bricks around him. Rumors swirled of war ready to ignite between the lands of ice and fire. Fears whispered like snow at Elsa's feet. One moonlit evening, during a secret meeting at the boundary where cold and warmth clashed, Elsa and Kai crossed paths. Elsa was cautious, her icy magic ready. Kai radiated a gentle heat, his hands glowing softly, but his eyes held curiosity rather than anger. Instead of fighting, Elsa formed a delicate ice flower and Kai set it aglow, creating a radiant frost flame that pulsed with life. Their laughter echoed across the hill, melting the tension that had frozen their hearts for generations. As dawn broke, Elsa and Kai invited their royal advisors to witness their creation. Together, they revealed fields with alternating snow and wildflowers, lakes that steamed peacefully, markets warmed with gentle breezes and cooled with refreshing gusts. The people marveled at fire and ice working in harmony. Enemies became neighbors. Distrust dissolved like snowflakes on warm skin. Years passed, and Elsa and Kai ruled side by side, embodying the union of warmth and coolness. Festivals of frost and fire became the highlight of the year, where stories were shared beside bonfires on snowy nights. The land thrived, balanced as never before. And so, the legend grew. When the Ice Princess and the Fire Prince worked together, even the impossible could be overcome.